Hello traders, welcome to episode 315 of TM Media Trade. Could be doing anything, but you're here. For that I'm quite grateful. Bitcoin is on Coinbase, falling below the 1272, is struggling to get above it. We've shown a few rejection wicks, but not many. Very close to a 78% retrace from X to A, which is back from the December 15th to December 24th, right? So we're making our way very close to that entry. My God, man, we're getting so close. All right, so just patiently waiting, whatever. Hopefully we get there. And there's always the offshoot chance we get to 32.32, which would be 1618 from B to C. So Bitcoin's not really, I don't know, the headline so much as other alts, right? I mean, Ethereum's down to 105.89, as we talked about literally yesterday. What fib extension would hold? Probably the 1618, 104.84. Why? Because, hold on, I gotta make sure my settings are right. Forgot these. Let's see, quad screen. Sorry, I'm not feeling too hot today. Yeah, we're good. So Ethereum. Remember yesterday with the fib from the low to high fib extensions, we didn't think the 1272 nor the 1414 would hold up just because look left, there's no support there. But the 1618 at 104.84, you could see there's a horizontal line support back from November 26th, 27th, right around here. So holding that for now, but probably just because of Bitcoin. You know, it was like that descending triangle-esque price action, right? The down sloping resistance and the horizontal line support, and we cracked it. I mean, really, if you want to look at it that way, where the measure moved in, really, you know, from the top of it to the bottom. 1852, that seems pretty reasonable as a target. We're not there, but yeah, there you go. 1852 puts you down at the very bottom of that channel, right around 97.91. All right, not there yet, but and I'll tell you, looking left, this is not a very strong support. So we may stall here for a while, flag, whatever, but if you think this is a powerful area where we could just reverse man to the upside, you might be mistaken. And really, I guess you got a little bit of bullish divergence. We don't even know the swing lows in yet, right? So if this is the way, if Ethereum truly did make a swing low right here, we do have a very slight, almost minute form of bullish divergence. I mean, it's class B, right? So you had a low here and a lower low with about the exact same level of relative strength, both being very oversold. What are we sitting at right now? Sitting around like 20 at one time. Earlier today we were at 15. So a little bounce with Bitcoin price action, whatever, no surprise. Oh, it follows Bitcoin. Wow. Something that didn't follow Bitcoin as well was one that you know, we all know and like. It's a global banking solution. I'll also make sure this is right. Okay, we're good there. Yeah, global banking solution. Sorry, not so fast, my friend. July of 2017 support, that upsloping golden trend line you see on your screen, has been broken. Now, I mean, I'm sure you could have made adjustments, whatever, but even if we make the adjustment, let's go. Let me try to zoom out here and like, because I got pinpoint accurate touch points way back here. Okay, I'm talking July 2017, and then September of 2017, just 1 and 2, and just lets it alone. You can see the response we get to touching that support has been tremendous every time, but this time not looking good. And really, okay, we'll give XRP the benefit of the doubt, make the adjustments. All right, you get less touches now, right? Less touches. So, I mean, you're still outside of the channel, or the trend line, excuse me. All right, but hey, I guess one good thing is you did bounce off of that December 15th low. So nice wick, but I'm sure that's just scalps. You know, people just having buy orders right there for the short-term profit probably. But look, man, what do we do? Broadening bottom, which is bearish continuation pattern. Just telling you how it is. All right, we've had this broadening bottom here for how long now? I mean, since it formed. Okay, so we're out, we're breaking, we're hooking now, we're back testing, right? We're back testing the pattern, the bottom of the pattern. So, man, if you can't, I don't know, if you can't hold this, dude, 28 point, what is it? 28.596 cents, dude. What's the next target? 26.7 cents, and then all the way down to 25 cents, and then we're just getting to, like, you know, really bad territory. So we, you know, you crack this 28.5 cents, it's gonna be 26 cents, 26.6 cents real quick, then 25 cents after that. All right, and then after that, I know on XRP it's like every cent becomes some sort of support. All right, so because you're just getting in such low risk territory. So I don't know, man, that's not good, man. Breaking that support, we'll see if Bitcoin can break. You better pray, XRP people, that Bitcoin recovers, and you better pray for that bullish Gartley. That's your only hope, Ripple fans. Okay. Bearish continuation pattern. All right, so I don't really know what to tell you. I mean, really widest areas of this pattern. I mean, really just kind of like that. That's the widest areas of the pattern, and you do measure moves of broadening bottoms. Pretty simple from the breakout. There you go. There's your measure move. If it's to play out the pattern, come on down to 25.6 cents. That's not good, man.
Nvidia chart Plaza. Wondering what I should my AMD shares based on the Intel and Nvidia bloodbath.
Well, I don't know, man. It's just because it has a down day, does that mean that it's time to buy? I don't know. Yeah, we can look at it. Nvidia had a terrible day. Was the worst performer in the stock market on guidance, lower revenue.
Yo-yo slash BTC 4 hours MACD.
Yo-yo, Mr. Cantomo, dude. I thought it was just a joke, man. I thought yo-yo was just a stupid joke. All right, man, we'll look at yo-yo for you. 4 hour MACD. Thanks, dude. Kangs, dude. Really appreciate the 5, man. All right. If you notice the weather, snow, ice, I actually have it both going. Guess what? Where I live, we're expected to get about 2 to 3 inches of accumulation. First time this year. It may not mean much to you northern, you Yankees, but down here, man, it's I can't wait, dude. I'm excited, super excited. I hope the worst happens. Okay, with the snow and the accumulation. Anyway, wow, weird. We like looked at Bitcoin and then we looked at Ethereum and Ripple. Boom, boom, boom. Real fast, so I can look at chat and then I can look at Nvidia and Yo-Yo. Actually, before I look at chat, let's just take a look at, let's just talk about what kind of happened today around the world. Okay. Global stock markets tumbled on Monday after Caterpillar and Nvidia Corporation warned of weak Chinese demand, while oil posted its biggest one-day drop in a month on expectations of growing U.S. crude supply. Equities also were slammed by plunging shares of Brazilian miner Vale SA, South America, which lost some $19.3 billion of its market value following the collapse of the tailing dam last week that killed at least 60 people. Good God. Vale shares dropped 24.5%. Good God. The dollar fell against a basket of currencies as traders awaited the Federal Reserve's two-day policy meeting ending Wednesday and the results of U.S.-China trade talks this week. The euro reached a 10-day high against the dollar ahead of voting in Britain's parliament on Tuesday that aims to break the Brexit deadlock. Caterpillar, a bellwether for global industrials, fell 9.1% as its quarterly profit missed Wall Street estimates, hurt by softening Chinese demand to strong dollar and high manufacturing and freight costs. Oh man, the overhead, too much, dude. It was Caterpillar's worst single-day drop since August 2011. Y'all hear that? Not good, man. A staple, dude. A staple. Good Lord. Hold on, give me a sec. Oh yeah, this is the one where I drew a cloud. Okay, yeah. So this is Caterpillar. All right, these were clouds. All right, I was having fun. Did I dream you can draw it? No, yeah, just don't worry about the clouds. I mean, we were talking about at the time when we were up here. I said, hey man, we are up in outer space right now. High flyer, good God. Okay, last time we looked at this probably, I don't know, man, early in the year, dude. So, yeah, enjoy your clouds up there. They're beautiful. All right. Okay, so yep, down 9.1%. Currently sitting at 124.37. Up just a little bit after hours. That's Caterpillar, man. That's Caterpillar. Still, you know, if you're looking at the grand scheme of things, still extremely bullish historical chart, right? Like wonderful. But look, man, let's zoom in on this from your low to high. We hit the 50% retrace and reversed our price action to the upside, but when we did, we could not find any highs, any higher highs on our previous highs, and dumped again, and have run up and made lower highs, staying below that 200-day moving average, and dumping. All right, on earnings. So we'll see if there's any kind of channel we can plot, some sort of vision for us. It looks almost, dude. Does it not look like another ascending broadening way? It's like we had this, right? We had this channel, and then, you know, we fell out and we're back in it, and look, we failed to break above the heart line twice. I mean, like, everything made sense except this craziness. Okay, and this was during that, you know, the macro sell-off in October, so nothing made sense. You know, everything got exhausted, right? We had a huge pop. So anyway, yeah, Caterpillar in its historical uptrend at the heart line, at this red upsloping trend line. All right, so good that we're above it. Let's see if we can stay above it. And I mean, dude, down 9.1%, never good, man. Okay. All right. So what's the next one we're looking at? Oh boy, another high flyer. Oh my God, it was a darling, was it not? Nvidia slid 13.8% after the chipmaker cut its fourth quarter revenue estimate by $500 million, hit by weak demand for its gaming chips in China and lower than expected data center sales. Extremely high volume. Go to daily. Big gap down. Oddly enough, holding some support right there at 134. Okay. Hey, Chucky Loco, man. Thanks for the sub on YouTube. Just, man. Welcome, man. Welcome. Alright, I don't know, man. We had this very, very nice uptrend. We had monthly, weekly, daily bearish divergence with a rising wedge. And 292 was the all-time high, and then it all came crumbling down, right? We lost over half our value in a month long. What was it? Yeah, a month and a half, 2 months, something like that. So where do we bounce, though? Where are we, right? From the beginning, the very beginning. I'm talking February of 2016. We're talking Trump getting inaugurated, from when it began, for everything, really. February 2016 to October 2018. We retraced 68 or 61.8%, right? From the low to high, that's as far as we went. Great area where we bounced. We did get a little bit of bullish divergence, okay, on both oscillators, not too much. So, you know, you're gonna get a bounce a lot of times when you're at the golden retrace with daily bullish divergence. Hey, good for you. We bounced, but it didn't turn into literally anything, okay? But a scrubby retrace. Now, what are we talking about? What was the retrace for Nvidia? High to low. Dude, legit, we didn't even touch the 236. That's how terrible the rally was, man. I mean, do you really want to call that the swing high? I mean, the major swing high up here, all-time highs to here. Very bad. All right, but yeah, earnings will do that. Weekend guidance will do that. lower demand in growing, developing industries will do that. All right. So areas to buy, man, I don't know, dude. Like the areas to buy were 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. You know, you clearly see that we have a trend that is reversed for now. Okay, so might want to let the dust settle and see if we can hold support above 125 in the next week or two. Okay, I don't know, man. That's just, it's not the time. These are not time. Oh, well, time to go long. Dude, we dumped and we could keep dumping. All right, we haven't even filled the gap. The gap down at 107.94. We're close enough now to where we could hit that and fill that. It's not out of the realm of possibility we hit at 108 sometime, especially after all that news. Okay. Anyway, good Lord. Holy crap. Let me clean this up a little bit. Jeez. I think it's just all the gap fills. That's what it is. Okay. So here's a similar looking chart, man. Similar looking chart. Apple, right? Apple made an all-time high of 225. Now we're currently sitting at $156.30. Got as low as 144.51. Where do we retrace? Where do we bounce? Just like Nvidia, the 62% retrace, 618, right from the low. This was May of 2016 where it really started. Okay, from the all-time high. It's the same day that Nvidia and everything else imploded. All right, they hit the 618 and rallied. Good for you. Had a little bit of bullish divergence. That's awesome. But what's happening? I mean, where are we going? We're not doing anything. There's very little volume on any kind of move up. I mean, what kind of retrace is that? It's terrible. Just, is it even a 23% retrace? All these right here are gap fills. Okay. Critical supports. Yeah. Supports and gap fills. 122.44, 133.19, 142.78. All right. All areas where we could, you know, use it. We could use them as supports. Okay. So, but I'm gonna be real here. Your major swing high on Apple to your low. Haven't even hit a 23% retrace yet. That is so freaking bad, y'all. Oh, but the market's recovering, man. The rally. Not Apple, not Nvidia, not big players that make a ton of money. Apple's downward guidance 2 weeks ago, along with the announcement by Caterpillar and Nvidia, suggests the U.S.-China trade war will affect more companies. Okay, and this was said by Christina Hooper, Chief Global Market Strategist at Invesco. She says, I view this as a cause for concern. It's not a crisis, but it's likely to be a few more canaries in the coal mine because there's going to be a significant cohort of stocks that are likely to be impacted by the U.S.-China trade war. Okay. Continuing this article, earnings at Chinese industrial firms shrank for a second straight month in December, hit by slowing prices and weak factory activity. Good God, man. Stocks on Wall Street down more than 1% for most of the session, recouped by some of the losses at the close. Dow Jones Industrial fell 209 points, 0.84%. S&P 500 lost 500 points, 0.78%. The Nasdaq Composite dropped 1.11%. Emerging market stocks lost 0.39%. And volatility has picked up as investors fret about an economic cycle that is long in the tooth, leading to sharp reactions in the market to news. Okay. Wow. Equity markets have solid underpinnings with fourth quarter earnings looking good. Likely truce in the U.S.-China trade talks and the Fed sounding a dovish message, leading her to be more optimistic, right? Okay, but, you know, whatever, man. I guess we talk about energy for a second. Let's go to... Oh my goodness, man. Not looking good there. Not, you know, and this is the one. This is the oil. It's been a while since we've seen a dump like this. All right. Huge dump. WTI. So, started the day. Well, we closed last session at 532, now at 44, down almost 10%, right? Oil. All right, but oil, nothing new, right? Oil's just been in a tremendous downtrend for years now, okay? And no end in sight, really, right? Nice Momo shift, right? Momentum shifted, but still making incredibly lower highs than our previous highs, okay? Well, look, we reversed our price action around that 618 and then dumped today. All right. Okay, let me see what I can do for Mr. Canatoma here. Okay. I don't even know if y'all like this, all right? I'm just doing this because, like, you know, whatever. But tell me about Yo-Yo! Alright. No structure. What is this, man? It's just like... Hold on. Dude, I can't even... This is... I don't know, I guess people could say it's some sort of very large double bottom Eve and Eve or something. Give me some feedback. I don't know, man. You got a higher low here, don't you? What is it, an Eve double bottom, potential double bottom? I don't know, dude. I mean, look, we had this last time we looked at this S coin. We had some sort of horizontal line support resistance right here at 553. Clearly ran up, touched it, and failed. Couldn't break it. It's a low back from November of 2017. Areas of inception back here, all-time lows, very close to all-time lows. We're not. Though, yeah, I get it, though. We broke some sort of, like, downsloping little channel here. Whatever. Who cares? And, man, look at that wedge. No such luxury this time. Yeah, man. I mean, look, if it was a true double bottom, a huge double bottom, and you're talking about a 4-hour MACD. All right, I'll look at the 4-hour MACD. Well, I mean, on the MACD, I see a little bit of, here's a low, here's a higher low. So really, you know, this is all happening. You know, there's no swing low established. So, I don't know, man, you're still making a higher low than your previous low. I get what you're saying. You think it might be some sort of bullish divergence or something. Yeah, it could be a minor form of it. Yeah, totally could be. I don't even know why I have this plotted now. You know, one time it was support, whatever. So, these, man, change these up. Go in uniform. All right, so I don't know, man. Maybe you'll get an opportunity down here at 42 sats, and then if you can't hold that, coming on down to that other support that you manufactured August and September of 2018. All right, so that's really it, man. You're making higher lows here. Okay, so it could be some sort of weak looking Eve and Eve double bottom, but here was the double bottom. This was the Adam and Eve double bottom that ran up and looks like it made a measured move. It was a great little looking trade possibly, but I don't know, man. You're making higher lows, it's true, but when you ran up, the most previous thing you did was make a lower high than your previous high, right? What would do? Ran up almost at a 50% retrace of 549. Okay, so just resistance. Yeah, resistance. All right, so I don't know, man, if you know there's anything special about Yo-Yo except the higher low. Just your run-of-the-mill S coin that they don't even have like a logo. I don't think. I tried looking them up one time to put like them on the Biggest Loser chart or something, you know, on the starting soon screen, and it didn't show. But yeah, higher low, good for us on the higher low. We'll see what it manifests into. Don't fall below 346 sats, Miss Cantova, and you'll be good. All right. Anyway, sorry, I have literally spent the past 30 minutes and I haven't looked at chat once. I'm sorry. All right, I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me go to Bitcoin. I don't know, man. I feel like I'm busting it, dude. I'm busting it and freaking tired. And the snow's coming or something, I think. Alright, we're just patiently waiting, patiently waiting. This is the Bitfinex chart, okay? So we're back down to those areas that we wicked off of before. Weird, man, the difference in Coinbase and Bitfinex for Gartley. I mean, this is the 78% retrace here. We are, okay, yeah, we could run down to 33.51 here. And you still have a possibility of bouncing, springing from there. But this is the area where Casey Stubbs likes taking the entries on the Gartleys. All right, so if you want to extend it out more, we can. Whatever, doesn't matter. That's it. But I don't know, man. We've just been really keeping our eye on Coinbase because it's the first time we're seeing a possible entry for the Gartley. All right, this one right here. Sorry, man. FPS leak. I don't know, dude. 57% CPU usage, 40% RAM. I don't even know why. It doesn't seem like it should be doing that. It hasn't. It's sometimes not done that before. It's just always, there's just always something wrong. There's always just, it's like the PC doesn't know how to allocate its resources properly. It's like stupid. It's like really stupid. My PC like doesn't know what to do. Oh well, I don't know if it's working this time. We're gonna do this time, but next time we'll be much better. We'll do better next time. How's an IT guy ever supposed to like figure that out, right? He has to like literally be here for every stream and then like monitor my PC like while I'm streaming. Okay. What's up, Gaming Crypto? Shalon, Peroni, Nokia, John Legend. What's up, Alex Cobb, man? XRP broke critical support. Yep. It is holding off on a December 15th horizontal line support, but broke that historical upsloping support. Not good there. All right. Better pray for Bitcoin. That's all I can tell you. All right. And this is not the time to be prideful of XRP breaking away from Bitcoin because it's just, we're not there yet. We're just not there yet in the crypto market. It's too infantile. All right. What's up, Johnny Bull? Bob Field, Miss Cantomo, Coach K. Are we screwed? What's up, Randy Schulz, Moz, Jurgen, Schmitz, man, Conscience Vegan. What's up, Dan Stylus, Krang?
Is that a joint?
Made my short orders last night. Thanks for being you, Mitch.
Thanks, William Battles, man, for the 420. Is that a joint contribution? Much love, man. Much freaking love. Ugh, cold, tired. Not feeling hot. Okay. Driving and lurking again. Zedzerbs. Sweet, man. Well, be careful. What's up, HG? Yeah, Nvidia. Wrecked, dude. Wrecked. What's up, Mr. Russian Man? Do y'all see Russian Man? He's there. Oh my god, we have many Russians in here right now. Comrades. What's up, F66Z66? Grow Green. It's been a while, man. You've come in at a time where we need you, right? Grow Green. Randy Bobandy, how many cheeseburgers today? 4, 5, 6. Hello, Ducey. Anthony Littlewood. Chris P. Bitcoin is VHS. Yeah, probably. So, you know, not right now, but yeah, in the future we'll look back at it. It's maybe like that. Just never know. It's all speculative. What's up, Rasmus? Yeah, we put XLM dumpster fire on the list. 52-week lows, cracking critical supports. Nothing else looking left until like 7.4 cents or something. It's bad on XLM. What's up, Garrett K? Who knew? What's up, Chaylin, dude? Hey, Skyward Man. Arthur Beeswax. Yeah, I gotta bring that that dragon up so y'all can see what the beeswaxers made me. It's just sitting next to a Kincaid plate I have in my kitchen, like you know, just a nice little area for vision. But I need to bring it upstairs. Get right, John Legend. That's right, dude. What's up, Pablo, dude? Oh, I mean, what are the oscillators like? A lot of these things are oversold. XRP was oversold, but has since bounced off that support from December 15th. We're now running a little bit. We're now breaking to the upside a little bit. Okay, we were down 3.2% at the beginning of the stream. We're now only down 2.84%. Whatever. Yo-yo tricks are cool again, man. Scrub coins all in. Capo. What's up, Michael S? What's up, Bradford? MK, man. Welcome. Chaz Garcia. High Resonance. Big day for crypto. Yeah. Pretty much, dude. SQ's had a nice run today. Well, yeah, the gap down was wonderful, but the Plunge Protection Committee, whatever team, they came in and propped things up a little bit, didn't they? Wiley like messaged me. He's like, oh, there we go, the standard PPT. You know, saving the day. So.
Hello, Mitch. Cheers to Emily and Arthur Beeswax. They were kind enough to send me some samples of their cool beeswax candles and some beef jerky. Show them some love.
Beef jerky! Dude, hook me up some beef jerky, beeswaxers. I'd love to try your jerky, okay? Like, there's nothing better than beef jerky. Pure protein, no carbs. My God, man. Just wonderful, okay? So, awesome. Scoured, man. Yep, shout out to the beeswaxers. They've been viewers watching this show, supporting this stream for a long time, and I'm very grateful for them, okay? But we got wonderful entrepreneurs, business leaders, professionals of their respective industries, all up in this community. We have an extremely high quality community. All right, I love that, man. Love that, and I'm honored that each and every one of y'all have made it to this community. And you know, I just do the charts, right? Y'all make this community actually special. I'm just a guy. All right, so what's up, Ricky W, man? US making lower lows. Wow, what's new, dude? What's up, Mario P? Oh, Diego, man, is Bitcoin possibly forming a bear flag on the 4-hour? Yeah, probably too early to say, Diego, man, but it's a possibility that could happen. But again, man, I'm a little bit more optimistic from X to A. Just remember, we're getting close to, you know, the 78% retraces, fib extensions, man. Like, these patterns are reliable, dude. I'm telling you, Harmonics. We just had one play out. We plotted it on Saturday, and by Sunday day stream, it had played out and hit target, and then by the night, was it Sunday night stream, we had hit 2 targets maybe, 618 as well. And we'll look at Tron Connect too, just to show the absolute beauty of these patterns and how they can play out. All right. Putin coin all ended. Sorry, just reading chat, y'all. Okay, I went a little too hard on content early in the stream, so now I'm just gonna sit back, relax, and enjoy the sights and the sounds of chat right now. What's up, Mobius, dude? Hey, Mobius is gonna get snowed in, man. Mobius, you excited, dude? Because clearly you can see I'm excited, man. I don't think we're gonna get it as good as y'all, but whatever, dude. Okay. What's up, 720 Trading? Hey, man, 720 Trading's Kang, man. He posts a lot of really good fractals and charts in the Discord general chat, man. Thanks so much for contributing your charts to the Discord. All right, man. Anytime someone does that, man, it's definitely worth noting live on this stream. Okay, so 720. Thanks, man. Kangs. All right. Because it's people like you that help perpetuate education, right, to the community, and that's just a big deal. Okay, so thank you, man. I am grateful. And anyone who posts charts in general chat or anywhere in our Discord, man, it's just always appreciated, especially if you're trying to help others learn. Like, if you know something and you're not telling people about it, hey, man, maybe you should, right? Nothing more powerful, nothing more fulfilling in life than empowering others, right? So the way I love it. That's why, like, every day I'm going all out, trying to give everything I know, everything I've learned. I try, you know, spreading it on the stream every day. Maru Bazoo?
Hey Mitch, good day. Glad to catch you again. Could you give some love to Cardano? Love to see some green Marubo Zoo soon. But whatever happens, stay awesome.
Thanks, Maru, man. Maru Bazoo, man. He's gonna name his firstborn Maru Bazoo. It's already been confirmed. But I don't know, man. Do you have the lady to make that happen yet? You used to be an adventurer till you took a bullish engulfing or bullish Marabazoo in the something. Okay, thank you, dude. Yeah, dude. ADA. Look at ADA. All right, hold on. All right, so anytime someone doesn't give me a tick or a pair, I'm just gonna do whatever I want, I guess, right? Don't get mad at me, man. Okay. So this is interesting, right? Yeah, let's give me a sec. Yeah, so ADA, man, like, look, in the shorter term, when the price normalized from a big dump we had back in, I think, May? Yeah, in May. Right, we just had this channel, right? And it was like anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, okay? And we broke out of it, and then we just went from a high, your discernible swing high from July, to your low. We've not even hit a 23% retrace yet at 6.8 cents, okay? So, I don't know, man, just stalling, making higher lows still, but we don't know now. Things are starting to teeter. Or, you know, we went from the higher highs to now the lower highs, now the slightly lower lows than our previous lows. Come on, man. Like, these all look very similar. Okay, but not looking too hot now. All right, let's zoom in to see what we got. I mean, I think this is probably something like Ethereum, so it's very similar to Ethereum, where I could just plot a little channel, right, a little equidistant channel, and I'll probably get some decent touches. I don't know. Well, I guess we make an adjustment now. Yeah, so just really, I mean, do it like that, get some heartline touches, 25% touch, 75% support. You know, you just can't sustain prices above it, and then we just fall in. Okay, but yeah, really, big extensions here. Let's just do this real quick, okay? From your previous low to your high. Hey, bouncing off the 1272 at 3.79 cents. Wow, we're in the threes now. Well, we hit into threes. We're currently at 3.9162 cents, I think. So, huge impulse down. Very, like, compared to the volume we've seen before, very low volume on this dump. Okay, so we were more oversold than we've seen since November 25th. Wow, been a while, dude. Just selling commences. Okay, so and look, if we ever break this 4.0416 cent range, we might have a little momentum shift, but until then, I think we're just down sloping and making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Impulse down, sideways consolidation, dumped again, and probably gonna get sideways consolidation. And if Bitcoin doesn't turn around, ADA is gonna keep on making lower prices. Mara Bazoo, thanks for the 5, man. All right, that's all I'm seeing kind of in the short term. You just saw what we looked at in the more midterm, right? So. Keeps legging up like a champ. Skyward, yeah, man, keeps performing wonderfully. Wow. Link got dropped like a rock, yeah, man, because Link was just being traded, and eventually, yeah, just dumb, man. When any kind of volatility, any kind picked up, man, the viewers came back, and the S coins, that some of them that were pumping, dropped like rocks. XRP got dumped pretty hard too. ZRX made you sad pants. IOTA made me sad pants. Many alts made me sad pants. Okay, they performed so bad. All right, so much worse than Bitcoin. Like, Bitcoin just didn't drop too bad, and then the alts lost extreme amounts. Okay, breaking critical supports all over the place. Improvise, adapt, overcome. Yeah, dude, right? Will Brady do it this weekend, Dr. Sauce? Well, in my Harmonic book, we have something called the bearish bat pattern. It's misspelled the bearish pat pattern. That makes me think that makes me think the Rams might win. It's an omen. It's an omen from the TA lords. Okay. Mobius has never been tuned. What you talking about, dude? Can't blame the system. I do blame the system because what do you want me to do, man? He has definitely tuned it. He has tuned it. OBS is a dumpster fire. David thinks so too. I do too. I hate, and it's not like there's an alternative that's going to be better optimized for what I have. I'm sorry. OBS is like the pinnacle of streaming platforms. Okay. Sub DH. Myron Gaines, Winland, but win cardboard box. Okay, win bus ticket, XRP fanboy, exactly. What's up, Greg H? You'll just be here working and lurking. Awesome, dude. Well, don't let me distract you, okay? Whew. Sorry, man. Just trying to look, man. I don't know. I wasn't planning on being on too long. Okay, just not feeling hot. All right. What's up, Chris Farrell? You don't count the wicks besides the one on 8/14 2018. Still looks like there's a chance to run up. Look, man, we've seen XRP many times before fall below the critical support and then eventually bounce. So it could do it again, man. I'm just saying, like, historical upsloping support from July 2017. We're currently a little bit above it right now. Okay, we just made those adjustments. And look, man, you are bouncing some. Right, you can see that 29.9 cents from a low of 29.796 cents. Okay. Whoa, dude. Not much, but it's something. Okay, getting back into that broadening bottom pattern. That's good. But where's the volume, man? Where's the freaking volume? What's happening right now? You better pray. I'm telling you, you XRP people, you better pray for Bitcoin's bullish Garley pattern to play out. Because it will all make us legends in here, okay, man? We will all be legends. We'll all be in Lambos. Kappa, not really, but you get it. You get it, man. It will save you, okay, from breaking that critical support. For real. I think Samuel L. or Samuel W, dude. I was about to say Samuel L. Jackson. My bad. What's up, Jesse Thompson? Hey, we in good stuff. I know I'm behind hardcore, but we saw Apple, right? Well, it did crack the upsloping support. It did not crack the horizontal line support. Okay, and it's bouncing. What's up, Louis Marriott? Good God. They close stuff here when there's one snowflake. Yeah, dude, I love it, man. Well, not really. I mean, it's a different world I live in now, but yeah, beforehand, totally. 88 is bouncing some more. I think everything's kind of bouncing right now. 42 minutes left on the daily. Okay, our daily close is coming. Frozen precipitation. Yeah, dude, totally. What's up, JF Airplane? Look, man, I'm just hanging out with y'all because we looked at everything. Thanks for being here, says Maru. It was fun, TA education. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that, man. It's an honor that you say that, okay? Because I don't know. I just try to be myself, all right, in every way. Zed Zerbs is betting on the Patriots. I wonder what John Lara's doing, man. What's John Lara doing? Inverse the charts. And we're all rich. Yeah, dude. All right. Inversing for iGamer. It's done, man. It's done. I'm telling you, man. A bearish Gartley pattern right here. Don't get wrecked, man. Don't get wrecked. Hey, what does this look like? What does this look like? This is the more calm version of the bat pattern. The bat pattern's an 88.6% retrace. So you burn this image in your mind, ladies and gentlemen. Burn it. I'm not kidding. Burn this image in your mind. You know what? We won't even have to burn it. Let's just do this right now. Let me see what I can do for y'all, okay? Just waiting for it to load, dude. I'm at the mercy of TradingView. Logos free. Are we kings yet? No, we're not kings yet. We're close, very, very close to being kings. All right. Let's go to Tron Connect, okay? I need you all to see Tron Connect. Very similar pattern. They're like big brother, little brother. Gartley and Bat. Wait. Oh wait, this one's inverse. Okay, man. Okay, this is your, again, a little bit more extreme pattern where you have an 88.6% retrace versus the 78% retrace. And the reason and the way we are able to discern that is the retrace from X to A. Okay, from X to A, we had a 49% retrace. Okay, and when it's between a 38% retrace and a 50% retrace, that's when we know it's the bat. We know. But when we retrace 60% to 62% retrace, that's when we know it's going to be that potential Gartley pattern. Okay, not many discernible differences, but it's the B retrace and the D impulse. Okay, so it's crazy, man. You can't, like, we literally, I mean, I need to just, like, let me show you all what we do on the Patreon. If you're interested in joining in the next couple of days, if you want education and stuff, this is what we do, man. Okay, I'm gonna pause the music real quick so you can just see. This is just an example of what we have, and this hadn't even been posted on for the patrons yet. Okay, but this because I'm uploading it after the stream. Let's see how I can do this, man.
Moment of silence for the F shorts that piled on at 102, shorting after the move 10% up on the day. Cron Plaza.
Rest in peace, man. Rest in peace. Dude, thanks HG, man, for the 318 Kings, dude. Okay, so you can see what's happened with Tron Connect after it hit its target. Well, look here. This is what we do on Patreon. So if you want to support the stream, want to see me show up every day and get amenities out of it with trade setups and education, learn these patterns, this is what we do, man. Wish I could make this, like, I don't even know. Dude, I can't. Alright, so from X to A, that is your impulse. Nothing required. But from X to A, from a high to a low, we want to retrace between 38% and 50%. Right? You see it? Right, from X to A, when we retrace between 38% retrace and a 50% retrace, right? Tron Connect, 49.2%, pretty much 50%, perfectly, right? Before selling off. Okay. And then when we break down from B to C, from A to B, from a low to a high, we want to retrace between 38% and 88.6%. What do we do? From A to B, we retraced 60% of the way. All right, so that's between a 38% retrace and an 88.6% retrace. And then the big move up from X to A, we want to retrace 88% of the way. Around there, close to there. Where are we? So far, we're pretty much at like a 78% retrace or so, right? There you go, man. Oh, okay, also, from B to C, from a high to low, we want to retrace this C to D. You want to retrace between 161.8% and 261.8%. Okay, so you'd fib from a high to a low, and that would give it to you, okay? And where are we right now? We're at 230. If we ran out and hit the 886, we'd hit a 230% retrace, which is fine. That's between the 1618 and the 2618. We're good, man. We're good. All the criteria met. Textbook bearish bat pattern. It says bearish pat. Okay, dude. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of harmonic education. If you did, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Oh my god, man. You've got to be kidding me, man. I just turned my mic off just because didn't want like it to echo on whatever, dude. This is so stupid. Okay, whatever. Aftermath, this stupid pattern, 382 hit, 62% retrace hit, 100% retrace did not get hit. See, that's Casey Stubbs' target. That's their first target because we had an upsloping support. Oh my god, man. Thanks. I don't even know how that showed up on my phone, Bradford. So we're lucky there, I guess, man. Weird. Okay, man. Sweet, dude. Those are the amenities you can expect in the Patreon. Education clips from the stream, hand delivered. Because who has time to watch these streams when I stream sometimes 2 to 8 hours a day, right? Whatever. Cool. Anyway. I scrolled through more chat. Who cares, man? I've been live for like an hour now. Whatever. Not cores, instructions per clock. Tell me. You need to get in a conference call with my IT guy so y'all can figure out how to make this thing ungodly, because it's seriously, sometimes it's FPS leak or FPS drops, and 51% of my CPU is being used right now. I don't think that's right, man. I don't think I should be utilizing 50% of my CPU right now. It's just crazy, man. Highest IPC. What you talking about? IPC instructions per clock? Yeah, but what do I do there, man? Okay. What's up, Taja Crypto? Taja, whatever. Nice shirt matching lights, both streams. Sleepy Cat, boom. It is kind of matching a little bit. It's called a bearish pat. No, it's called a bearish bat, but the pat was a misspell. They misspelled it and didn't edit, and so it's just hilarious because. So yeah, Mike's muted. We're screwed, man. We're all screwed. Oh my god. Someone call me. Yeah, call me, dude. Call me, Alabama. Anyway, dude. You can, you will. Alright, I'll just give his number out on stream to everyone. Kappa, alright. Whatever. Not when he was over here, he was talking to Jeremy S. CPU mining crypto or somebody. Nah, Zedzers, they haven't even had time to know my PC even exists yet, okay, dude, to hack me. And if they did, dude, I've got a VPN running, and I've got other multiple tiers of secure internet security. Okay, just that makes sense. Okay. Love to see that the audio mute completely took away from what I was trying to, explain there. So, hold on. Give me a sec. So what more do you want? We looked at the big ones. We looked at the requests. We looked around the world at multiple markets. Right, news, talked about oil, China, everything, right? Kind of just a whole United Nations of things with charts. All right. So about Graham Doherty. It's an interesting last name, man. Everyone's a moderator, XRP Rabbit. Yeah, man, because it's a tight-knit community, man. This is not like I mean, I don't know, dude. It's not like your typical Do I have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 subs? No, I have 4,089 subs, and these people have been around. Most of these people with wrenches have been viewers for 5+ months, right? And are highly active in chat. Okay, so. Okay, but anyway, it doesn't really matter. Thanks for the 172 people tuned in, but what I'm going to do is get out of here. So just not feeling like hot. So I'll just be back tonight, okay? Thanks so much for the like, the love, support, dislikes, and the contributions. Thank y'all so much. I really appreciate it. And again, 11 Eastern, I'll be back. So until next time, respect the TA.